Most car buyers think they can judge reliability by looking at a vehicle's brand or sticker price. But here's the truth. Some of the most expensive, best-looking cars on the lot are the same ones that end up draining your wallet with costly repairs just a few years down the line. What looks like a smart purchase today might become your biggest financial regret tomorrow. In this video, we're counting down the 20 most reliable cars you can buy in 2025, ranked from NASA 120 all the way to number 1, using real-world data from Consumer Reports and over 300,000 vehicle owners. These aren't guesses or gut feelings. These are hard numbers based on real reliability scores, and trust me, some of the cars on this list will shock you. But stick with me to the end, because the number 1 spot isn't just a car. It's a blueprint for how to build the perfect worry-free vehicle. Starting us off at number 20 is the Mazda CX-5, a compact SUV that balances fun driving dynamics with long-term durability. Unlike many modern crossovers that rely on complex turbocharged engines, the CX-5 keeps it simple with a naturally aspirated powertrain and a proven transmission. Mazda's dedication to refining the same platform year after year has resulted in fewer bugs, fewer breakdowns, and much happier owners. It's stylish, responsive, and built like a tank. Coming in at number 19 is the Lexus ES, a luxury sedan that borrows Toyota's famously reliable Camry architecture. This car delivers comfort, tech, and quiet refinement, but without the headaches usually associated with luxury vehicles. Many owners report surpassing 200,000 miles with no major repairs, thanks to Lexus's conservative approach to features and bulletproof drivetrain choices. At number 18, we have the Honda CR-V. It's been America's best-selling SUV for years, and with good reason. After addressing oil dilution problems in earlier turbocharged engines, Honda brought the CR-V back to its rock-solid roots. Owners consistently rate this SUV above average across all reliability categories, from powertrain to electronics, and its resale value is among the highest in the segment. Next is the Honda Accord at number 17. Even with the shift to turbocharged engines, the Accord remains a symbol of mid-size sedan dependability. The 2025 model benefits from several engineering tweaks that have eliminated earlier issues, resulting in a vehicle that blends innovation with long-term reliability. Accord owners continue to rank this sedan higher in satisfaction than many so-called luxury competitors. At number 16, we have the Toyota Highlander Hybrid, a perfect choice for families who want fuel efficiency without sacrificing durability. This 3-row SUV is built on Toyota's proven hybrid architecture and combines electric efficiency with the toughness of a traditional V6 platform. Unlike some hybrid competitors plagued by electrical bugs, the Highlander Hybrid delivers smooth driving with few surprises. Number 15 is the Subaru Impreza, a compact all-wheel drive car that's built for harsh conditions and long hauls. Subaru doesn't treat AWD as an afterthought. It's integrated into the vehicle from the ground up. That simplicity, combined with a strong mechanical focus and minimal electronics, means fewer problems and better longevity in real-world conditions. At number 14, we find the legendary Toyota Camry, a mid-size sedan that's built a reputation on outlasting the competition. Toyota's philosophy of gradual, meaningful updates rather than radical redesigns ensures that each generation of Camry gets better, not more complicated. Its engine and transmission reliability remain class-leading, and owners love its low cost of maintenance. Next up, number 13, the Subaru Forester. It might not be flashy, but this SUV is a masterclass in functionality. With a boxy design built for visibility and cargo, the Forester prioritizes performance over aesthetics. Its reliable, naturally aspirated engine and strong AWD system make it a longtime favorite among buyers who value durability over trends. Coming in at number 12 is the Subaru Crosstrek, a subcompact SUV that outperforms many larger vehicles in reliability. It's tough, simple, and surprisingly capable off-road, all without sacrificing daily drivability. Owners love it for its minimal issues across all major systems, from engine to electrical. At number 11 is the Toyota Prius, the godfather of hybrids. While it may not win design awards, it wins in reliability, hands down. With over 20 years of hybrid innovation under its belt, Toyota has refined the Prius into a vehicle that commonly runs for 300,000 plus miles on original components. And unlike other hybrids, this one rarely experiences battery or electronics failures. Breaking into the top 10 at number 10 is the Toyota Corolla Hybrid. It blends Toyota's most reliable nameplate with hybrid fuel savings. This car delivers the best of both worlds: exceptional fuel economy and extremely low maintenance costs. Owners routinely praise its predictable, no-drama driving experience and long-term dependability. At number 9, we have the Lexus NX Hybrid, a compact luxury SUV built on Toyota's hybrid foundation. Wrapped in upscale materials and packed with features, the NX Hybrid doesn't just feel premium. It also performs at the top of the reliability charts, especially in powertrain and electrical systems. Coming in at number 8 is the non-hybrid Lexus NX. For drivers who prefer a gas engine without the added complexity of hybrid components, the standard NX offers a rock-solid option. It's built with the same Lexus quality, using a naturally aspirated engine to avoid common turbo issues. That means fewer breakdowns, fewer repairs, and more time on the road. Number 7 is the Hyundai Elantra Hybrid, a surprise entry that shows how far Hyundai has come in recent years. With a score of 79 out of 100, it outpaces many established Japanese rivals. Hyundai's recent focus on build quality and long-term engineering improvements has paid off. The Elantra Hybrid is now a strong contender in the affordable hybrid space. At number 6 is the BMW i4. Yes, a BMW made the list. As an electric vehicle, the i4 benefits from having fewer moving parts, which drastically reduces common mechanical failures. Combine that with BMW's premium build quality, and you get a luxury EV that doesn't just look good, it lasts. Breaking into the top 5, the Toyota RAV4 Hybrid earns its spot with an impressive 83 out of 100 reliability score. It merges the country's most popular SUV design with Toyota's hybrid legacy, giving buyers the perfect mix of utility and peace of mind. Owners rave about its smooth operation, fuel savings, and low repair frequency. Number 4, the Mazda MX-5 Miata. Who says fun can't be reliable? This iconic roadster proves that simplicity and driving joy can coexist. With its lightweight build and naturally aspirated engine, the MX-5 avoids the pitfalls of complexity and instead delivers years of worry-free, fun driving. At number 3 is the Toyota RAV4 Prime, the plug-in hybrid version of the popular RAV4. It combines electric-only commuting with the flexibility of a gas engine for longer trips. Despite its cutting-edge nature, it boasts a reliability score of 84, showing that Toyota's systematic engineering doesn't cut corners even in PHEVs. Number 2 goes to the Toyota Corolla, a name that's practically synonymous with reliability. With a reliability score of 84, it's one of the few vehicles where you can buy with complete confidence. From powertrain to electrical systems, the Corolla just works, and keeps working for decades. And finally, at number 1, the Toyota RAV4. With a stunning reliability score of 86, this compact SUV isn't just America's favorite, it's also the most trustworthy vehicle on the market. Whether it's the engine, the transmission, or the electronics, the RAV4 excels across the board. Toyota's strategy of continuous improvement, building on proven platforms and avoiding unnecessary tech, has made the RAV4 the gold standard in long-lasting vehicles. So, there you have it. 20 cars that offer peace of mind, lower ownership costs, and years of dependable service. But if you're curious about what happens when you buy for style over substance, don't miss our next video. The dark truth behind owning a Range Rover. Trust me, you'll want to see how bad it can really get.